Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Now we can begin. Let me confirm if these members are in class. Tony Wanzala, can you raise your hand?
Present.
Purity Mutai,
Present.
Kiprono Isaac,
Present.
that's good. Today we'll be looking at underpinning. Allow me to share my screen so that you can move on the same boat. Can you be able to see my screen?
Asante Shangi.
Able to see my screen? Members?
Yes, we can.
That's good. As you can see, we'll be talking about underpinning. The main objective of underpinning work is to transfer the load carried by a foundation from its existing bearing level to a new level at a lower depth. Now we can look at the reasons for underpinning. Number one is uneven settlements. This could be caused by uneven loading of the building, unequal resistance of the soil action of tree roots, or cohesive settlement. And number two, this increase in loading. This could be due to addition of an extra story or increase in imposed loading such that which may occur with a change of use. I hope that point is well explained. Any difficulty on that point? Let's continue. There's the lowering of adjacent ground, usually required when constructing a basement adjacent to existing foundations. Now we have the general precautions to be taken care of before doing any underpinning work, and I would request one member to read us through those precautions.
We have the general precautions. Number one, notify adjoining owners of proposed works, giving full details and temporary showing per time. Point number two, carry out detailed survey of the site duly to be underpinned and of other adjoining or adjacent buildings. Number three, indicators should be fixed over existing cracks so that any subsequent movements can be noted and monitored. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Melan, for reading us through those points. And those points are very well explained, very self-explanatory. So we can move on to the next item, and we are going to start underpinning to walls. And I hope everyone knows what is a wall. Under this, the main point here is to prevent fracture, damage, or settlements of the existing wall being underpinned. The work should always be carried out in short lengths called legs or bays. The length of this base depends upon the following factors. I would request Tony to read us through those points. Tony, can you hear me? Yes, can you read those factors should be considered before underpinning
But
walls?
the screen cannot.
Let me read them for you then. Number one, total length of the wall to be underpinned. Number two, wall loadings. And number three, have general state of repair and stability of the wall and foundation to be underpinned. Number four, we have nature of the soil beneath the existing foundation. And number five, we have estimated spanning ability of existing foundations. Let's now look at the typical details of underpinning to walls. Under this, I hope everyone can see the image on the screens. Amos, can you be able to see the image on the screen?
Currently, the screen is not visible.
As you can see on the image, there's what we are calling an existing wall here. You can see there's also the existing foundation there. And then you can see the wall to be underpinned. This was the existing foundation. You have the new foundation down there. And this is the wall to be underpinned, this one, the foundation wall. Yes. These are the typical details of underpinning to wall, or what we call the traditional underpinning methods. Let's now look at the other method of underpinning, which is called the jack pile underpinning method. I would request one member to read us through those points.
Okay. We okay. We have jack file underpinning.
File
Well,
cleaning
procedure of jack file underpinning.
and
This
jack
method
file
can be
and
used when the depth of a
it
bearing capacity
was when the depths of a suitable bed
to make
was
traditional underpinning and economic.
cleaning and
Jack file underpinning is quiet vibration
is
free
quite vibratory
since the
free
file depth can be adjusted to suit subsoil conditions
can be
encountered.
conditions.
The existing foundations must be in a good condition
The
since they'll have to span over the heads of the file
extension
which will cast onto the jack file's heads after hydraulics. Jack
jack files head
Thank you for reading us through those points. Let's now look at the technical details of jack pile underpinning.
Details are
You can see also here you have the wall to be underpinned is here. You also have the existing foundation also. This is what we are calling the jack pile. This part, all of this part. As you can see here, we have the pump which is applying pressure to the hydraulic jack so that you can be able to go into the subsoil and yes, you can also you see these are the typical details. You go and look at them further. Anyone with a question as we have come to the end of our presentation today? Members?
Yes, sir.
Anyone with
Thank you, sir.
a
Have
question?
a good day.
You too.
Have a good night, sir.